Are you still importing AI-generated materials? Importing into post-production software for color grading? The AniShort canvas provides color adjustment nodes and LUT nodes with a large number of filters. It solves the pain points of color grading in one stop. It has built-in professional color adjustment nodes, including beginners to advanced users, including all common parameters: brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, color temperature, highlights, and shadows can be adjusted. You can freely adjust the light and color of the picture, easily correct color cast, and enhance transparency. If you don't want to adjust colors manually, LUT nodes can directly turn on. Even beginners can adjust it. A clean and advanced picture texture. A large number of selected LUT presets: warm, blue, cinematic, cyan, green, skin tone, neutral sunset, and other styles can be applied with one click. You can also load your own LUT presets.